Here we have a range of products created using Chen Liang's CL3 MACR CNC engraving machine. As you can see, the two sides of this mold have been manufactured to such tight tolerances that they fit together perfectly and have been machined to an immaculate surface finish. Let's now explore some of the reasons behind this machine's superior performance. With many years dedicated to the art of engraving, Chen Liang has realized that customization is the key to optimum performance. Because of this, major components of their machines are all customized for a particular engraving process, and all elements work together in such perfect synchronization that when you witness the results, you just know this is quality at its best. The first thing that you'll notice about this machine is that it's extremely compact. This not only saves factory floor space, but the lighter weights enable it to operate at much higher speeds and achieve a precision not found on larger machines. The machine has a rigid cast iron structure with high quality ball screws providing smooth and stable movement. Linear guideways directly coupled with servo motors on each axis make for superb positioning accuracy, which is in turn guaranteed by rigorous laser testing procedures. Telescopic protective covers along all axes ensure safe operations but also keep friction to a minimum, adding to the high performance of the machine. Additionally, even though the machine is relatively small, it has a double column design. This is very unusual on a machine of this size and dramatically enhances rigidity. The true test of an engraving machine is the quality of the work it produces. So let's take a look at the CL3 MACR in action. Extremely high RPM spindle options coupled with the lightness of the machine guarantees rapid engraving of a wide range of materials, from the hardest steels to rubbers, acrylic and plastics. The carousel type ATC comes with 16 standard tools, and the touch-off tool setter allows for easy and fully automated lights-out operations. Extremely small tooling options also provide the finest micro drilling and engraving capabilities. Here we can see some other examples of the products machined using the three main axes. The engraver also comes with a fourth axis which rotates under program control in full synchronization with the other axes. The rotary axis features a worm gear that reduces backlash, and its sturdy meionite structure provides the necessary rigidity for precision 360-degree machining. Besides the production of figurines, these are some of the many other applications this axis provides. The compact CL3 MACR, with its powerful spindle, highly customized components, and huge range of machining applications, will bring you precision engraving at its best. But why not come see for yourselves? Let your fingers be the judge.